Hello everyone! Welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the best RGB PC case fans available right now, the best 140mm RGB PC case fan. If you're looking to boost your PC's cooling performance while also upgrading its style, this might just be the perfect fan for you. So stay with us for the full breakdown. Let's get started. Product features. High-performance cooling. Let's kick things off with performance, the heart of any case fan. The Antec 140mm fan delivers maximum airflow of 49.36 CFM and static pressure of 1.3 mm H2O, making it great for both case ventilation and radiator cooling. With a speed of 1200 RPM, it provides just the right balance between effective cooling and low noise. So whether you're gaming, editing, or just browsing, your system stays cool and stable. Addressable RGB lighting. Next up, aesthetics. This fan doesn't just perform well, it looks amazing too. It comes with 10 addressable RGB LEDs and 7 transparent fan blades, offering vibrant and customizable lighting. With ARGB compatibility, you can easily sync it with your motherboard or RGB controller for coordinated lighting effects across your entire system. Perfect for creating that sleek, modern setup. Enhanced airflow design. Antec has really thought through the fan's design. The 140mm diameter gives it a wider blade area, 25% more than standard fans, which increases both airflow and pressure. This not only boosts your cooling, but also reduces resonance. That means less vibration and a more stable, quieter performance, even during extended gaming or rendering sessions. PWM control. One of the standout features is PWM control via a 4-pin connector. This allows your system to automatically adjust fan speeds between 1200 to 1400 RPM, depending on the workload and temperature. You get efficient cooling when needed and quieter operation when your system is idle. No need to constantly adjust settings manually. Quiet operation with anti-vibration pads. Now let's talk about noise, or rather, the lack of it. The Antec fan is equipped with 8 anti-vibration rubber pads, effectively absorbing any extra movement and reducing sound. It operates at just 25.5 decibels, making it one of the quieter options in its class. This is especially important for streamers, editors, or anyone who values a silent workspace. Pros. High airflow and static pressure for excellent cooling. ARGB lighting with 10 LEDs and 7 transparent blades for stunning visuals. Larger 140mm blade design improves cooling efficiency and reduces vibration. PWM control for automatic speed adjustment. Low noise operation at just 25.5 dB. Anti-vibration pads ensure stable and silent performance. Cons. May not fit smaller cases due to its 140mm size. Requires a compatible ARGB header for full lighting control. Slightly more expensive than basic non-RGB fans. Final thoughts. To sum it up, the Antec 140mm RGB PC case fan is an excellent choice for anyone looking to combine high-performance cooling with eye-catching design. It's efficient, quiet, and fully customizable, ideal for gaming PCs, content creation rigs, or any build that deserves both style and substance. Check the price link in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to Best Product for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.